Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing a cute emerald, I want to say like emerald green. We're going to do a lot of dark greens today, guys. Well, that's what's going to be on my eyes. So I went to the store today. I went to get a couple things because I have been lacking in makeup. So I got me some brow gel. I got me some eyeliner finally, y'all. And I got me some more lashes, got me some more eyelash glue, got me some more concealer. I'm ready to go today. And we're gonna try some loose powder today. So I'm excited because I don't really know how to use like loose setting powder, but we're gonna see what we can do. So let's just start. I'm gonna start first by actually moisturizing I'm gonna use as I always, the Neutrogena, just some moisture for my skin. Nobody wants dry skin. And as you guys see in the last video, I have officially bleached my hair again, and this stuff is really bright, and I'm so excited because it's so pretty. Okay. So next I'm gonna go in and do my brows first. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel. Why can I not say that? And we're just gonna put this on our eyebrows because it dries. I saw people doing like the look when they brush it out. But that's just not me. I can't. It's also a good way to shape the brows too when you need to brush them out. There we go. That's how I need them. Okay. There we go, guys. So first thing first, I'm gonna go in with my concealer for my eyes. I'm gonna do this first because for my eyeshadow, obviously. And we're just gonna blend this in. Okay, so next I'm gonna take my bronzer, which is, you can use any powder and just set your eyeshadow so it's not liquid. So it's not like, liquidy. So you want it dry because you're putting eyeshadow on your eyes. Okay, and we're gonna go in with our eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow palette I'm gonna be using is the Morphe 35M. It's one of my favorite palettes because I don't use it that much and the colors are really pretty. They have the cutest greens in here, so that's what I chose today. This is the palette. These are the colors. And I'm focusing on just up here, the top rows. So I'm gonna take, I feel like it's not gonna show. I mean, look like a little seaweed green. Now, the thing about this palette, it might be my brush as well because it's a little wet. So I'm gonna go in with a dry up brush and see if there's a difference. Because the greens on my eyes is always hard to, it was a brush. But it's always hard to get certain colors on your eyes. And I'm still blending this out, so. So this is what it looks like, guys, after I have put the color and blended it all together. So next, I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner. Now, I was looking for eyeliner all day. I went to Target, and then, which they had liquid liner, but I said I was gonna get it from the hair store because I had to get my lashes from there. And I saw the liquid liner there before. Went there all the way over there, didn't even have it. So I got using the blackout eyeliner. They say long lasting, but I really would need a liquid, but this will have to do. We'll have to see because I really don't use like the marker. So yeah. So this is after the eyeliner, guys. It took me a while because it's like I said, I like to use liquid liner. I just feel like it's easier with the brush. So I did my liner, got it on here. I ended up putting black eyeshadow over it because you got eyeshadow, the marker liner, and it's hard to like get on there sometimes, so I like put the black eyeshadow to make it look even more like. I'm gonna be using the 355 Fit Me Maybelline Coconut. So next I'm gonna do my concealer. I'm gonna mix Toffee with a new one, which is a little bit lighter, I believe, which is a cool tan. So we're gonna see what this looks like, and I'm also gonna put another color, which is gonna be a tan, really the tan color from BH Cosmetics on here, guys. I'm mixing a couple colors because I kind of wanted to get a tanner look under my eyes. So yeah, we're gonna do these three. A lot of concealer. Conceal these under eyes. And we're gonna go with the BH Cosmetics one. Like I said, you only need like a dot of this stuff because this stuff's so tan. There we go. And I'm gonna mix this, y'all. So this is after the concealer, guys. After this, I will be going in with my the loose setting powder. I'm using the medium deep Fit Me 30. Now we're gonna see what this is like, y'all. I don't use setting powder. So I'm gonna take a clean sponge though. I'm gonna take a clean sponge, and I used powder before. I just haven't used it in a while. So I'm gonna take it and then put it under. I'm over here talking about setting my face. I'm like, that's what the setting powder is for. That's what that's for. I'm so used to just doing bronzer. I see them like the people and like they just put this stuff everywhere. We're just gonna put it everywhere, y'all. That's actually enough because this looks crazy. So yeah, we're gonna let this sit, y'all. And while this is happening, I am going to go in there. I'm going to go in with my mascara. So now that I let this sit, I'm gonna take a big brush and I'm just gonna dust all of this off. So guys, so next I am going to take my contour palette, which is really old, so do not judge me. I can't open it because one of my colors are completely crushed, so that's what you're going to see. I'm going to take the darkest color, and I'm going to contour the outsides of my face. I don't ever contour my nose, but I'm going to do this just on the outside since I did the color there. So there we go. So after that, guys, I went down and did the under eyes. I just put a dark green under my eyes. And next I will go in with blush and highlighter. Let's put some shimmer on this face because it is too dry. So I'm going to take my palette, my Blush and Bali palette I got from BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to take my blush brush and I'm going to get the pink color in the middle. We're going to smile. There we go. I'm also going to take the same brush and just do a little bit highlighter with it. I legit just put this stuff everywhere depending on where I need it. If I need like some shimmer or something, y'all. So next we are going to set our face because I'm going to do lashes after this. I'm going to go and set my face. I'm going to use the Madison Bear Shimmer Setting Powder or Setting Spray. I'm going to spray my face. And after I'm done, after this sits, I will come back. You guys will see the full look. I'm gonna have my lashes on. Okay, so this is the full look, guys. I hope you guys like it. I did jewels on the outside of my eyes and under my eyes, and I have the lashes on. And we set our face, and we got setting powder. I threw some shea butter on because I need my lips to still heal. This is the full look. I freaking love it. And the only thing I did with my eyebrows, like you saw, I just did the eyebrow gel, which what's it called? It dried up, so this looked good. I love it. This is the color, guys, the green shimmer. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I guess I'm looking at this. I love this. And then with the hair, oh my god, this is like nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.